everyone is doing well. This is Annalise. Oh. All right, I had another glove around here somewhere. Come on, wherever you are. I'm trying to reuse my gloves as much as I possibly can. I'm going to try to do a black and white. This is going to be a Dutch pour. All right. This might end up comical. I'm trying to keep this hand on this side, this hand on this side. But I kind of felt like, with the way things have been, I felt like doing a black and white piece to see how, when they come together, how beautiful it can be. How amazing it can be when they're together. Because just like members of any family, what happens to your brothers and sisters affects you. Because we're all part of the bigger whole. All right, so that's my soapbox for my thought process on today's project. I hope you're all like-minded. I hope. And where we meet in the middle shall be a thing of beauty. And a gnat just landed in my, yeah. You gotta get rid of the, get the ickies out. All right. Oh no, another one. Ah. Oh my gosh. Another one. Maybe I should just leave it here. Let all the gnats land so I can pick them all out before I start. Just popping bubbles. I'm gonna do some of these colors I had mixed up that I love the way that they look. They look great on both surfaces. This is phthalo blue. Metallic cobalt. Aqua green. Metallic bronze. We gotta have a little tan in there too. A little more. This white is super thinned out. Super thinned out. I want a little bit of black in there as well. Trying to reuse my sticks and my gloves and as much as I can, trying not to be wasteful. I've also converted to paper cups. I have a few plastic cups that I have gotten, they're compostable, so they are a little bit more environmentally friendly as well. Blow dryer is going to go on high. I'll turn it down and I'll speed this up for you. But let's see what we can do.
What am I thinking? You guys? I gotta have some blow over here, don't I? Let's try it again.
What do you think? I see a spot I need to fix. Try not to stick my chest in it again. You know, that's how I do it. Hey guys, I'm going to speed this up for you. I'm going to continue to struggle with this middle section. I'm trying to fix it, but I'll do this in fast mode here, and I'll add a little more background music so it's not so terrible to endure. Thanks for sticking with it. Bye. Okay, so I didn't like the middle. The more I looked at it, the less I liked it. So I said, let's fix it. So we scraped, and now we're gonna fix. Okay. Let's try this again. Shall we? Phthalo blue. Metallic cobalt. Aqua green. Metallic bronze. Titanium white. Yeah. Old habits. All right, one more time. We're gonna try to blow this out. Thanks for sticking with it. You know, sometimes that's just how it goes. You just have to scrape and start over. I could have completely scraped, but I thought, you know what, the edges are okay and that's a lot of paint. Let's see if we can't fix it from just scraping the center section. So, see how it turns out at the end. Thanks for watching. Much better, in my humble opinion. All right, here's the finished piece. I think it turned out pretty good. Has some great cells. I think it's really pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know. Talk to you later.